Hey everybody, here we are again today. Today we're going to be shooting the Ruger Mark III Hunter Edition. It's got a green fiber optic sight on the front. Get a little closer so you can see it. I actually just picked this gun up the other day and haven't shot it a whole lot. And always wanted one, so I figured we'd try to give it a whirl. And today what we're going to be doing is something a little different, something I've never tried before. A friend of mine put me up to it, asked if I'd ever shot anything out of the air, and I have not. So what we're going to do is we're going to shoot this golf ball, and it has not been shot yet. We're going to shoot this golf ball out of the air. Alright, well I hit that one. That's for Okay, well here we go. My first attempt at shooting anything out of the air. And I don't know if you guys can see that little black circle right there, but that's a 22 bullet in this ball. So hey, I kind of impressed myself. Like I said, I've never tried shooting anything out of the air. Alright, that was a good hit on that one. That was a good hit. I'm going to go get the ball. Alright, so there you go. First time shooting a ball out of the air. Direct hit right in the middle. So next time we'll try for something a little bit smaller. So thank you guys for watching. You guys stay safe. Remember to take your kids shooting.